Hey, what's going on, everybody? Here we are on a brand new project. As you can tell, this driveway is pretty old. We got the original asphalt driveway here in Huntington Beach, California. What we're gonna do is take this all out, expand the driveway as well this way, and we're gonna be putting all brand new concrete in. The driveway is also gonna be expanded this way, basically lining up with the door all the way. Walkways coming out, planters coming out, front porch areas coming out. This little weird patio thing is coming out, planter beds coming out. And basically just how it is, we're just gonna extend the walkway like that and then get rid of this. This is actually pretty interesting though. This has been here since the homeowner bought the house originally. Like a marble, a DIY concrete pavers. So he's been here for a long time, probably since I think the 60s. So that is the project for the day. We're gonna try to get all the demo done today, maybe even some forming. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so as you guys can see, we're just working on the demo right now, getting everything out of the front yard. And it's kind of surprising too that such a nice area like Huntington Beach had such an old driveway. I mean, these houses go for about minimum $1 million. And that driveway was from the 60s. So it's kind of crazy that there was still one around in this neighborhood that had the old original asphalt driveway. You don't see that too much in Southern California nowadays. Maybe over there in the countryside areas you'll see those, but not in metropolis cities like these, which, you know, it's Orange County, it's right next to LA. So as you guys can also see, we are working on forming out the driveway right now. It's mainly just two forms. Pretty sweet and simple. Alrighty guys, so we made pretty good progress today. We're doing some cleanup right now. Shane's doing some cleanup. What do you think about today, Shane? How did me and you do today?
We were pretty solid. Like
two guys?
Like a straight big rock, like Dwayne Johnson. Solid, you know?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay. I like that, man.
Nothing weird, just another day of progress.
You heard it here first, man. Me and him are like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, solid. But yeah, we got it all demoed out. Everything's demoed out. I'm setting some forms here. We're just gonna button up these forms here real quick. There's not very many forms on this job at all, but there's a couple. So we got one form going down this side, and then one more form going down this side. A little walkway. And that's it on the forms. Everything else is wall to wall or concrete to concrete. So yeah, we're gonna proceed to clean up, button up a few things for the end of the day, and get on out of here. Tomorrow we'll tie rebar and compact, and then pour the following day. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. And you know, funny enough too, this driveway that we're replacing is my landlord's driveway. We are actually doing a job for my landlord, so crossing my fingers, you know, everything turns out perfect for this driveway that we're replacing. Not only that, I am going to be doing a patio cover in their backyard as well, a Luma wood patio cover, but that will be for the next video. In this video, we're just going to be focusing on doing the concrete driveway. And this is going to be an all in-house pour, just the main crew. Since it's a nice and easy little pour for us, don't need to bring in all the extra finishers for this one. So we excavated a good amount, enough to bring in a little bit of base, help the soil out. And then we are bringing in rebar, 2 foot on center, number 3, that is 3/8 rebar. And after that, we'll be ready to pour this driveway out. All right, good morning everybody. It is pour day, actually at my landlord's house. So this pour's gotta go perfect, or she might not want me living at her other place. So we gotta make sure to take extra care, even though we always take care of everybody we work for. This one's a little bit more stressful though, not gonna lie. But we got the main crew back in action. Eric's actually been on his own project the last week or so. It's a pretty big remodel that he's doing right now. Let's go see how he's doing on that one. Hey, morning Eric. Want to know, and the YouTube wants to know, how's the project going?
Good.
Yeah, it's a big project, huh?
Yeah,
I was just telling everybody how much we missed you. And that we got the gang back together.
yeah, finally. I'm excited.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we're pouring out the concrete driveway and walkway, bowl floating the concrete as we rod it back. And this is a custom made bowl float right here from Enrique. We had some scrap redwood from a previous job, and he ended up making it into a little bowl float with a rocker arm handle on it. Pretty nice actually. Super heavy though, but very resourceful, because bowl floats nowadays are going upwards towards $100 to $200 nowadays, and that's just crazy for a piece of wood. Like most videos, I talk about wooden bowl floats because I prefer wooden bowl floats honestly over magnesium. I just think you get a flatter surface when you go over the first pass with a wooden bowl float rather than a magnesium. Also brings up the cream better. This is a very long bowl float too. It's about 4 feet long. No, 5 feet long. Some around there. And then you can also see we were going around the edges with a walk-in edger. Getting that initial edger in. So check out this guys right here. In Southern California, we like to call these funny floats. And this is a massive funny float. Check this out. This is the funny float I have. Are you gonna use this right now? Oh wait, hold on. Let me show the comparison. So this is my funny float, and this is the funny float Enrique made. He made this out of scrap lumber we had on one of our last jobs. And a very smart way to utilize this, because these are normally like $60. I think he made this one for like 30, maybe less. Yeah, so we're finishing out. Watch your head, Vince. Oh. You dodged it, but I got hit. Yeah. Eric, ow. Twisted his ankle and broke my head. I got that on film. That's a good opener. Injured on job site. Okay, so yeah, we just finished pouring out everything. We're just hitting the joints in right now. Unfortunately, the truck over there, couldn't get it moved before we started
finishing the driveway, because right now we're trying to hit it from both sides, and it's just really difficult, especially when it came to the pole floating part of this. We had to get like on 50 poles to reach all the way out, 50 feet of poles. And when you go that far out with a heavy bull float like this, oh man, you could tell it puts a strain on you. Go ahead, Vince, feel this. Feel how heavy this is.
Oh, damn. Yeah. That's got some weight to it.
Yeah, so this thing's super heavy. We're in good shape right now. We're ahead of the concrete. We got all the joints in. Nothing spectacular, no spectacular joint pattern for this one. Just a regular joint control where they need it. And so far it's coming out nice. So the red chalk line in that corner is higher than the concrete. And what we want is the concrete to be right on that red chalk line, which is not. So we just need to get it to the right height. So what Eric's doing right now is to put a little bit of concrete on the front of his Fresno, and you can see it back there, it's a little low on the red chalk line. He's flipping the concrete off of his Fresno onto the concrete so that he can smooth it out over there and get our levels a little higher, because we definitely don't want any flooding in that corner right there.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we got multiple brooms going out on this driveway and walkway, hitting with the green nylon and the 50/50 horsehair broom. The reason for that was because this concrete was starting to go off on us, and we did not want to get behind on making sure we broomed it. The broom finish came out consistent and even, so we ended up having to break out 2 brooms just to keep up with how fast the concrete was drying. Not only that, I think I was moving a little bit slower after being hit in the head by one of the poles from Eric. So I think that might have slowed us down a little bit. So that's why we were almost getting behind in the brooming process. But I'm not going to hold Eric accountable. Either way, we did get it done. And tell you what, this driveway came out beautiful. Really happy with it. I think my landlord's very happy as well. Maybe she'll be hooking me up with a discount on my rent, but we'll see how that goes. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions about the report, and stay tuned for more Odell Complete Concrete videos.